Hey everyone, it's Miriam, and today I want to make a video where I go shopping because apparently I need to. It sucks. I don't have money. But in my last video, I tried to shop my closet and find Selena Gomez style, and I thought everything's gonna be great. I have things in there, but as I was trying things on, they didn't fit anymore. So I know I had made a video where I gave tips of how to find your style when your body has changed. Apparently, I do not follow my own advice. So I have a lot of clothes in my closet that don't fit me. And it's been very, very difficult for me to just give it up, give it away. I try to. It has been a process and a journey. I threw not threw. I gave a lot of stuff away, but there are some stuff that I have kept in the closet, maybe as a sentimental thing. The point is that I need things that fit me, and it's really difficult to find yourself and find your style when clothes are not fitting you. And obviously, as I said in my previous video, I feel like a lot of people they don't like going to the store and trying things on. You feel like defeated when things don't fit you. It's, energy draining, just looking at yourself and not being able to fit into things. um I don't want to get emotional again. But this is just I feel like most people go through. Okay. Most of us don't have the greatest metabolism, and yeah, and as you get older, also things change. Your body changes, and sometimes it's not easy as it used to be to get back into shape. Or just life changes, and when before you felt like it was easier to hit the gym or do certain things, now as you grow older, things may get complicated, especially if you add children to the mix, because your priority is not yourself anymore, it's that child. And it's really difficult to remember that there go again, that you are a person, like a just you, and like you have to take care of you and you have to love yourself. And though you want to put that other little tiny person in front and want to make sure that they're okay, and you kind of just put yourself in the back, um you have to remember that if you're not okay, they're not gonna be okay. My hopes and dreams, my hope and dream today is to find something in the store, find something that fits me good. I I do have a Pinterest board. I will link it below if you guys are interested. It's really difficult to take a Pinterest board of a person who literally is half of you, and things fit so different on them than you, and mimic it or try to get inspired by it. I want the clothes to fit me the way they fit the person in the picture, but when I try it, they don't. And when you look at a picture and you feel inspired and you think, oh, I'm gonna go buy exactly those things and put it on, and then you understand, oh shit, like it's not gonna fit me the same and it's not gonna look the same, and maybe I'm not gonna like it. So I feel like it's like an exercise that you do have to go through. You see an image that you get inspired by and you think it's awesome, and then you try to mimic it and get inspired by it, and then you notice that it won't work on your body, and that's okay, and that's gonna happen. And I wanted to make this video so you guys can see my struggle. I don't know, I guess this is my intro. Wait, are you here? So I went on a journey to look for outfits that are inspired by my Pinterest boards. Unfortunately, it was a big fat fail because I did go thrift shopping and I couldn't find anything that was similar to my Pinterest inspirations. Sometimes when you go shopping like that, you're gonna be lucky and sometimes you're not. Sometimes they're not gonna have your size. So I literally found things my size and got excited and just purchased them, which is something you shouldn't necessarily do unless that thing you purchased you find that you really like and you think it's gonna be like a really good add to your closet. For sure, if you can, try them on before purchasing them, because you just don't want to keep adding things to your closet that don't actually fit you, and you're stuck in the same problem. Like, you don't have things in your closet that fit or that you like. So because I couldn't find anything that even remotely look like what I had in my Pinterest, I'm gonna do kind of like a reversal where the things I found, I'm gonna go find in Pinterest something that's similar, and so I get an inspiration of how to wear them and compare that to my purchases. So I hope that this is entertaining. And sorry for my hair. You already know me. Hair is not my thing. Nothing is my thing. Okay, bye. Okay, so the first piece that I purchased is a denim skirt, and I know denim is coming back, and it's been back, I think. I don't own a denim skirt, so I thought that was a good buy. It's a classic, so regardless of the season, I think it's always going to be something that I can wear and feel comfortable in, especially if it fits me. Right? So I'm gonna show you the outfit inspiration. It as you can see, it's a lady with a kind of fitted skirt, and it's longer, a little bit above her knee. It does have the stress, so she has the the little holes and stuff, which just makes it really cool. She's pairing it with a kind of oversized cool t-shirt. I don't know what her shirt, sorry, I can't read what it says, but it's kind of oversized on her, and she did tuck it in on one side, and then she kind of cuffed the sleeves. She folded them up so she looks really like rock and roll and cool. So this is my take on that. I don't own any kind of band oversized shirts. I have found now that anytime I wear any kind of oversized shirt, it makes me look bigger than what I am. So I kind of stray away from having like the oversized looks. Not all the time. Obviously, you could do whatever you want, and sometimes it doesn't matter if I do look bigger than what I am, as long as I'm comfortable. So, but I opted for something more fitted. So, okay. So let me show you. Sorry for my messy kitchen. This is the skirt. It's fitted, and I have the kind of fitted shirt. It's just more of a fitted look, and I think where are you? I just think that it's a classic look, I think. right? I can wear it with sandals. I can pair it with boots in kind of fall, or tennis shoes, you know, wherever I'm going. So side to side, and I hope I did it justice. So the second item that I got is this very see-through button-up shirt, collar shirt, and I did have something kind of really similar. Who am I kidding? But I was inspired by something I had in my Pinterest already. So the Pinterest picture has this a lady where she has this I'm thinking it's a silk shirt. It's not a button up, and it's really intricate in the middle. I'm not sure because the glasses are covering it, so I don't know how it's I think it's probably one of those knotted, like twisted knotted things in the center. Mine is not. Mine is a collar shirt. It doesn't have a twist knot in the center. So what I did is I just knotted my shirt that I have. So the last outfit, or the last piece that I found, is this skirt that's kind of more towards like workwear, and it's this nice cream off-white color, khaki if you want to call it that, I guess. It has pleats, it has this nice tie that kind of makes you look a little thinner, if that makes sense. It cinches at your waist, and it's really flattering, I suppose. So the inspiration that I found is obviously not something that looks like it at all, but the lady in the Pinterest pin is wearing it's kind of this nice little muted yellow, and she's wearing it with this striped shirt, and I thought, oh, I have a striped shirt, I think it would go good together. So it's like a very nautical work wear. So I'm gonna show you a picture in the side by side, and you guys decide if I nailed it. Again, I'm sorry, I really try to find pieces that match my Pinterest board, but it was really hard to find things that look like it at the thrift store. I think if I would have like shopped or at the mall or online, I would have been able to find things that really did look like my pins and kind of recreate them better. But because I am on a budget, and I feel like a lot of people could be in my feed where they don't have a lot of money to go shopping for everything at the mall or online to get the looks that they inspire to get. So here's my outfit. I will try to show you. So that was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something, because I honestly did. I thought it would be an easy thing to just go and find things that resemble my pins from my Pinterest, but I found it to be difficult. Especially when you're thrifting, because you're at the mercy of whatever was donated. So it wasn't the most successful, but I think you can use it in a reverse style the way I did, and then you go to Pinterest and you find pictures, and voila, right? You can just copy their style, get inspired by it, and I think that's the fun behind it, and that's kind of what the purpose is. Not so much of the structure of like you have to have the same as what you pinned. You don't. It's inspiration, right? So it can be up to interpretation of whatever you think it's the best way things will look on your body, because everybody's body is different. So I really do hope you enjoy that, and yeah, see you later. Show you a picture.